Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you this December 2016 Aston Martin Vanquish Zagato Coupe. An incredible car finished in lava red, which I think will always be associated with this model. It was the launch colour that Aston Martin used when they revealed the car to the world at the concourse at Villa d'Este. It just suits the car so well, shows up the contours brilliantly well. Let's drink in some of the details. So the theme on this car is, there was the Villa d'Este pack which gave you the gold detailing, or bronze as it were. This car has gone for a silver chrome detail finish, so satin black wheels which are in perfect condition all the way around, and then chrome side strake to match that chrome Z for Zagato on the side. That is silver on all cars. Extensive use of carbon on the Zagato. It's better to work with on low production runs, but of course reduces a bit of weight for the vehicle as well as a side effect. Conditions throughout the car is stunning. So this car has a full PPF film to protect it. Coming to the rear, I genuinely think this is one of the prettiest rear ends of any modern car. Just such a wonderful piece of design. And you can probably just start to make out the contours of the roof there with what is described as the double bubble roof. A feature of Zagato design. Something that was originally in place to allow room for drivers' crash helmets. So we can see all of this exposed carbon at the bottom diffuser and silver exhaust pipes matching the theme, and then that carbon is visible down the lower skirt at the side of the car as well. Lovely design details. These lights, first used in the Aston Martin Vulcan. They are called light blades, and at night, as you see the car travelling down the road, they look like a set of afterburners. Whilst we're at the back, we should have a look in the boot. So, push button boot release. If we pop that open, everything present. Actually, a pretty good sized boot. You'd not struggle to take this car away for a European road trip, which it's just made for. Decent boot space, and of course there is room behind the front seats as well. Now, a few bits in here is a front number plate, plinth, service books and fire extinguisher, and also a couple of magazines that this specific car has been featured in. I mean, in particular, the photos in Vantage are just stunning, taken at night. You can see those piercing driving lamps alight there. Let me pop the boot down. Again, you can see visible carbon fibre here, just beautiful detailing. I'll use that strap, that leather strap. Soft close, so it sucks itself in. The only other thing to mention here is a red Aston Martin badge, so that is reserved for very special production runs. Now, panning down the passenger side, everything is in beautiful condition once again. And round to the front. Now, Zagato doesn't actually have parking sensors. I think they were considered something that might detract from the beautiful aesthetics of the car. So instead, you've got cameras front and rear, and then this amazingly intricate grille and those driving lamps, which are just piercing when you see the car out on the road. They really do mark it out. Now to the interior. So what we found with a lot of our owners of Zagatos, generally these are kept in big collections where drivers have a multitude of vehicles at their disposal. But the Zagato seems to go down particularly well because it's just such a lovely car to own. So the first benefit of it is, because it's a really sporty GT as opposed to an extreme hypercar, you can actually get in and out quite gracefully. So access is very straightforward. It's got a good door aperture. It's not too low. The seats are extremely comfortable for long runs. You can see there's lovely Z detailing up them and the embossed Zs in the headrests. There are rear seats, but they are super tight. You know, you could just about squeeze somebody sitting sideways in the back, but they're often used for soft luggage. This particular car's got some additional detailing, such as this Alcantara top lining, and that continues around the dashboard. It's just a lovely feel that matches in up the window pillars, and then on the roof you have this beautiful Zagato leather headlining. Other details: steering wheel. This is what's called the 177 steering wheel because that's where it was featured, and it's got lots of bronze detailing. So bronze detailing on the steering wheel, and then down this herringbone carbon dash. It's a fantastic place to spend time, and a car that is engaging at low speed as well as high. Beautiful 8-speed automatic with these, and of course that naturally aspirated V12 engine. So this is very much the last of an era of big naturally aspirated V12 Super GTs. A beautiful car to look at, a beautiful car to own, and an extremely rare vehicle with it being just one of 99 made for the world. Thank you for watching. Should you need any more information, you are welcome to call us or visit our website, which is www.hwmastonmartin.co.uk.